TravelingMel.com.
Today we are traveling extra light because we're going to go up to a hot thermal waterfall and then to a giant canyon where we wade up, kind of like Slot Canyon. And we're in Rio Dulce, and there seems to be some sort of musical festival or something here. Pretty cool. Think of your first collectivo.
It's a collectivo.
It's this bus.
It's cramped.
Yeah, and warm, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Part of the experience. Not always positive at the time, but hopefully we'll look back on it with
Tears.
hopefully not tears. Finca Paradiso, which is the hot water waterfall, which apparently is the only one of its kind in the world. I find that a little bit suspect. Might have to fact check that one. But we took a collectivo for about 40 minutes, and it really wasn't as bad as I expected. It wasn't too hot, windows opened, nobody felt too ill, but it was packed. But still, it was pretty cool. View was great, and totally doable even for somebody that's 6'6", with super long legs. We made it work. And now we bought some tickets, which I kind of wonder if you even need to buy tickets, but they're selling them, and we got the money, so we're gonna buy them. And now we're gonna walk along the river for about 10 minutes to the waterfall. There's people living here, man. They're chopping firewood, they're doing laundry, and putting on sunscreen. Also, we met a couple friends at the hostel that we're traveling with today from White Horse, Yukon territory. Hi there. And so that's cool. We got a little extra company, and they actually helped us find the collectivo, and they've done it before, so it was super helpful to have that, plus some friends to hang out with. It looks like a face. I think it looks kind of like a jaguar face. Or I choose to think it looks like that. The water is hot from the waterfall. Thank you. And the water in the river apparently is cold. So, and it's, I guess we can get behind the waterfall a bit. We're gonna find out.
We're at the waterfall. We're swimming. It's kind of a steep drop off. I'm touching the ground right now. And it's really cool. Kind of murky, so it's not kind of scary getting in, but it's actually really fun.
Like a hot shower. It's awesome. Anders, you want me to take you over there? Well, you can hang on my back if you want. we are underneath the waterfall, the lip of the waterfall here. And it's, I don't know, you got about a foot clearance. I guess this would be the jaws, maybe. Super cool though. Very hot. Well, not that hot. It's like a sauna. It's pretty sweet. What do you think, Ben?
Awesome. There's a little cave under there. It's really cool. Just not many places for me to stand.
No, it's pretty deep and irregular, but at least there's not too much current, right?
Yeah.
What I think is cool is that we're here making a little video, and it looks like a church group or a local group of some sort is here, and they're taking videos of us. Well, maybe they're just taking videos of the falls, but they seem to be taking videos of us swimming. Like this is kind of a loco thing to do. Alright. I think that's it. Unless something exciting happens, that's it for filming at the falls. We're just going to have fun now. Alright, after collectivo ride number 2, which was even a little bit more compact than the first one, we've arrived at Boqueron, and we paid 20 quetzales per person, 5 to get in and 15 to get a canoe up the river to a beach where we'll go up a canyon. We've got a nice little camping picnic area here, and the river's right over there. So that's what our next stop is. Gonna have a couple snacks and hop in some canoes. This is absolutely gorgeous in here. It is primeval. Look at all these vines, and there's birds flying around. And other than my talking, it's pretty quiet.
I just love doing this. This is the kind of stuff I used to do when I was younger. And you'd find a river and you just walk up it or swim up it. And I mean, this is exceptionally beautiful, but it's fun to be doing that again and doing it with my family.
And the formations are cool.
Formations are very cool. It's like an outdoor cave. It's like an outdoor cave with all the curtains and some stalactites and stuff, all the water seeping out through this limestone canyon.
This place is awesome. Our kangaroo hotel host Gary, it's my Australian accent, he told us about some steps that go up to a Mayan or Quichua village. And some other folks came the other day and couldn't make it up this far because of the current, which I can totally get. If the water were much higher, it'd be really tough. I don't know if these are the steps, but it makes me feel good to think they might be. Yeah, I don't blame you. That was intense, getting across this current. It's very deep, big rocks. Whew. But we all did it. We made it to the steps. And I think that may be as far as we go for now. Flex.
All right, let's walk up the steps. Is that nothing?
Anders and I are gonna poke our heads up around the corner of this bend, see what's there, and then we're gonna turn back, meet our canoe driver, paddler, and head on home. Find a completo, or what are those called things called?
What?
The buses. Yeah. Oh, gotta turn to wood.
Kind of
going.
adventurous now.
Oh yeah, very.
I am so building something like this in Minecraft.
Okay, I think this is where we're gonna turn around.
This is not something I'm gonna forget.
Guatemalan adventures. Another hour or two back. Cerveza time.
Except for me.
Fanta time.
No water.
Okay.
I don't know. You tied it up. Pictures are all taken.